Hey, this is your girl, Twala Cole, aka Sister Cole. And how are you guys doing? I hope that you had a beautiful, wonderful, prosperous day. You know what I like to do over here. I like to cook, clean, lookbooks, hauls. It's all about beauty. It's all about fashion. I give you a good word of encouragement now and then as well. So if this is something that you would like, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Boom, right there. Let's get into the video. All right, you guys, I got a couple of things I want to show you. All right, I got my Ipsy bag, and I also got my Scentbird perfume that they sent to me. So we're gonna get into this. I'm gonna give you the review. I'm gonna give you what you want, and we're gonna see what type of products I got this month. All right, so let's get into this review. Guys, so here's the bag. Cute, really summery looking. All right, cute little bag. I've got so many of these bags. Lord. All right, so let's see what we got in the bag, okay? All right, so here's the first thing right here. And this is a Chica Beauty Dual-Ended Brow Brush. All right, good. I needed a brow brush, all right? So they said, talk about a multitasker. This versatile tool helps you groom, shape, and define your brows. Yeah, I need that for me. You can use the larger side to groom and fluff your brows, and the angle tip brush to highlight and define your brows. Plus, it can also be used as a liner brush. Okay, so we love that for us. So the brush is diverse. You can do several things with it, and it's great. I needed a brow brush. I'm gonna tell you the truth, you guys. I am not a professional makeup artist. I just be using whatever I see, whatever I get my hands on first, and you know, I make it do what it do. But good, I have now a brow brush. All right, so what is this? This is the Rose Ship Body Scrub Cleanser. Oh, I'm gonna use this tonight. The Rose Ship Body Scrub Cleanser. It says I'm a 2-in-1 melting body scrub with exfoliating sugar and smoothing rose hip oil. All right, I can always use a good body scrub. I'm gonna definitely use that tonight. So it says, looking for a body scrub that's gentle but effective. Look no further than this Rose Ship Infused Wonder. This product packs a punch with its exfoliating power while still being gentle enough for sensitive skin types. And that's very important for me because my skin is very sensitive. So I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it and let you guys know. I'm gonna definitely try it. I like the cute little sample pouch. It smells good, you guys. It smells like rose. It's very creamy. I saw it coming out from the top. It's very creamy looking. I'll definitely let you guys know. All right, what else do I have here? Okay, so this right here, this is, what is this? This is Jasmine Beauty Brow Boss Brow Styling Gel. Look at that. I could use the brow brush with the styling gel. You know, guys, I'm definitely going to use this. I'm dead serious. Because I love when my brows is looking nice and when it's looking neat. So I definitely want to see what this is like. So what, do you put this on? I usually put a little pencil on my eye. So I'm wondering, does this go on after you put like a pencil or something on your eye? I don't know. Brow styling wax. So if you put a little pencil or mascara on your brows, do you put the wax after? I'm assuming that you do. Or do you do it at all? Or is the wax color? So is the wax black? Inquiring minds need to know. All right, so the wax is clear. The wax is clear. So basically, the wax is definitely for you to sculpt your brows. Okay, so I guess you would put this on after you do pencil or mascara on your brows. Do you guys do that? I do. I use pencil on my brows, pencil or mascara, whatever, whichever one I put my hands to first. All right, and let's see, our next item This right here is called the Yensa, Y-E-N-S-A, Beauty Super Serum Foundation in Tan. This serum foundation is supercharged and skin-loving, peptides, and an age-defining complex of vitamin C and E, ferulic acid, and bacterial oil. This combo works together to help brighten, firm, and prevent the lines and wrinkles. Okay, so this gives your face firm for your wrinkles and stuff. Fortunately, I don't have any wrinkles. You know, black don't crack, baby. I don't have no wrinkles. So this I'm gonna save and use it as a giveaway, or just give it to one of my friends that might need that, okay? Fortunately, a sis don't need it. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. All right, so what is this? What is this? What is this? Oh. Wait a minute. They did something wrong. I'm sorry, you guys. This right here is the Yensa Beauty Super Serum. Not the one I just showed you. This right here is the Yensa. This is the Yensa firming serum foundation. That's this. Okay, this that I was holding up previously is the Mile High Club. The Mile High Club Length and Define Mascara. That's what this is. Okay? That's what this is. This is the mascara. What is this? Lift your lashes sky high with this gravity defining mascara. Its precision bristles help to grab and coat each hair for a full fanned out effect. All right, so this is the foundation. I love getting samples of foundation. You can't have enough because that, not foundation, mascara, because I use it a lot. All right, so those are the items that was in my little Ipsy bag this month. Now let's get into the Scentbird. What did they say? All right, so let's see what we got with the Scentbird. All right, so the Scentbird, what did they send me? They sent me, it's called Tanzania Terenzi Kirk. Say what? It is the Tanzania Terenzi Kirk. Okay? And the notes in this perfume is passion fruit, cassis, lily of the valley, patchouli, and musk. All right? And I definitely love these notes because I love strong perfume. I love perfume that's bold. If you watch me, you already know. So I can already tell this is going to be a very strong scent, especially with the musk. Okay, the musk, in my opinion, it always makes things. It makes your perfume and stuff smell stronger because of that musky effect. All right, so here it is, you guys. They gave me a white bottle this time. Like I always say, love this for me, especially when I'm traveling. When I'm traveling, I love to have the Scentbirds, these trial size bottles, because it's perfect. It's perfect when you're traveling. And I ain't gonna hold you guys. I have so much of the Scentbird perfume, and I love that for me. Okay, right away, when you spray this, out of the bottle, the first spray, it is saying hello. It is like hello, and it is like a loud hello. It is like you gonna hear me. You have no other choice but to just smell me. Right, the first spray right off, and you don't get that. You don't get that all the time with perfume. Absolutely not. All right, so off the bat, you guys, the musk, yes, but you know what is the prominent scent is the lily of the valley. You smell the lily right away. And it is a very, like, even though it's like when you spray it, it's so like you smell it, but it's beautiful. It's a beautiful scent. It's feminine for sure, but it's like, how can I put it? It's like, it's pretty. It's very pretty. It's like you can smell it. It's like, hello, I'm there, but yet the scent is very pretty. It smells good. This smells so good. Like, this is definitely brunch. This is definitely brunch. This is definitely dinner. This is a beautiful summer. So the scent is so nice. It's pretty. Yeah, like I said, I think like this is a day, like if I was gonna choose when I feel someone would wear it, I feel like it's more of a day scent. But like I always say, I wear my scents whenever, wherever I wear, you understand? I wear my scents. I don't be like, oh, this is a day scent, I'm only gonna do day scent. But for people who really go by that, I would say this is a day scent. And to be honest with you too, this is like intimate. Somebody has to be close to you to smell it. It's a very intimate scent. Like, even though like when I sprayed it, I smelt it. It was like a burst, and you could smell it. It's very true. But the dry down is pretty. It's very pretty, but it's an intimate scent. You know, yeah. The dry down definitely. Yeah, it's intimate. Like, you have to. It's not gonna smell up the whole room, because I got some scents that smells up the whole room. You know what I'm saying? But this is definitely not one of them. Will I purchase a full body of this? Probably not. This is not one of those where I would be like, oh, I gotta get me a full bottle. Nah. But that's okay. If I'm gonna wear this, when I wear this, I'm gonna definitely mix it. I'm gonna definitely mix it with another perfume for sure. All right, so you guys that watch me, my subscribers, if you have a video idea that you would like me to do, I want to hear from you guys. If there's something that you would like me to do or to talk about or to review, I want to hear from you. You know, go ahead and put it in the comments, you know, if you have an idea. I will definitely try to do that for you guys, okay? All right, and don't forget to leave those comments, because you guys know that I really, really, really like to read your comments, okay? So don't forget to do that. If you're new and you're watching me, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. What are you waiting for? Come on, hit that subscribe button, all right? And make sure those of you who are watching that you're giving me the thumbs up, that you're liking the video, because sometimes I see you guys forget to do that. So make sure that you're liking the video, okay? All right, and until we meet again, until I see you guys again, don't forget that you are blessed and highly favored. Mwah.